Hello students, hope all is well from your sides. Now let us continue our chapter permutations and combinations. In this class, we will solve questions from miscellaneous exercise. Under this, our first question is how many words with or without meaning, each of two vowels and three consonants can be formed from the letters of the word daughter. Now see here we have to see that how many words with or without meaning. So here first we have to see that in the word daughter there are three vowels, namely a, u and e, and five consonants, namely d, g, h, t and r. So number of ways of selecting two vowels out of three, so that will be 3c2. So this becomes what? 3. We know the calculation part. Now number of ways of selecting three consonants out of 5. So 5c3, that is how much? 10. So therefore, number of combinations of two vowels and three consonants, what we have to do? 3 into 10, that is 30. Now each of these 30 combinations of two vowels and three consonants can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. So hence the required number of different words, now how much? 30 into 5 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So you calculate and our value will be how much? 3600. Okay, now see our next question. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation? So similar type of question, please you try this question by yourself. Okay, so here we have to find that how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation at a time, so that the vowels and consonants can occur together. Okay, just similar question, please you try by yourself. Now see our next question. Our next question is a committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. Okay, in how many ways can this be done with the when the committee consists of exactly 3 girls, so and at least 3 girls and at most 3 girls? So just you read the question twice or thrice. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. So here what we have to do, since exactly 3 girls are to be there, okay, so in every committee then each committee must consist of how many boys? 7 minus 3, 4 boys only. So in case required number of ways, 4c3 into 9c4. So this we have to calculate by 4 factorial by 3 factorial, or 4 minus 3 1 factorial, and in the other case into 9 factorial by 4 factorial, and 9 minus 4 5 factorial. Just you calculate it, and after calculation our value is how much? 504. 504. Similarly, in the second case, at least 3 girls. So here, since at least 3 girls are to be there in every committee, so the committee can consist of 3 girls and 4 boys, or 4 girls and 3 boys. So 3 girls and 4 boys can be selected in 4c3 and 9c4 with, and 4 girls and 3 boys can be selected in 4c4 and 9c2 with. So just you see the question. In this case, required number of ways will be how much? 4c3 into 9c4 plus 4c4 into 9c3, and after calculation our values become 588. Similarly, you try third one by yourself. Okay, question number 4 is similar to the first one, so you solve this question number 5. Question number 6. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many words with 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants can be formed from the alphabet? So, see, this is also very easy. 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants are to be selected from the English alphabet. So here, since there are 5 vowels in English alphabet, the number of ways of selecting 2 different will be how much? 5c2. This becomes 10, and 21 consonants in the English alphabet. So number of ways of selecting 2 different consonants from the alphabet. So that will be how much? 21c2. So this becomes 210. So now see here, number of combinations of 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants. 10 into 210. This becomes how much? 2100. Now see here, each of these 2100 combination has 4 letters which can be arranged among themselves in 4 ways. So therefore required number of 4, 2100 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2, and multiply with this. So this becomes 50400. And rest question please you try by yourself. So this much for this class, and rest in the next class. Till then, have a good day.